Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I know I've been gone for a minute, but I'm back. So today I decided to make some smothered pork chops with homemade mashed potatoes. So as you can see, first I started off by seasoning the pork chops. So I'm going to be baking them. So I'm going to put them in this pan, and I'm going to be adding some butter. So I know I haven't been posting in a minute, but I have been posting in the shorts. So if you haven't seen my shorts on here, you can go to my page and click on my shorts and watch them. So once I put them in the oven, I went ahead and started the potatoes. I just added the potatoes in some boiling water. Once they was done, I went ahead and mashed them. Then I'm going to be adding some butter and some seasoning. So the seasonings that I use are adobo, garlic, and black pepper. Okay, so before y'all start saying anything, yes, I like to keep the skin on my potatoes. That's how I like mine. But anyway, the potatoes came out really soft. Now that the potatoes are done, I'm just going to be starting the sauce. So I'm cutting up some onions. Then I added some butter to the pan, added the onions in. Now I'm going to be adding a little flour so it can make the sauce a little thick. Next, I'm just going to be adding some chicken broth. Then I'm going to stir that in. Then I'm going to add some browning for a little bit of color. So now I'm just going to be mixing it up really well. Then I'm going to add some seasonings. Now it's time to turn the fire down low and let the sauce thicken up. Now I'm going to add my pork chop in, put the sauce all over it. Then I'm going to be adding it on a plate with my potatoes. And this is how it came out. Don't it look good?